Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to start selling services online, Squarespace is a fantastic, beginner-friendly platform that gives you all the tools you need to get up and running quickly. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact process of setting up your Squarespace website so you can start offering your services to customers right away. By the end, you'll have a professional-looking site and know exactly how to move forward. No guesswork, no tech headaches. Let's get started. First things first, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. The dashboard is the home base for everything you'll do on Squarespace, and it's designed to keep things streamlined and tidy. Take a second to get familiar with the layout. There's a menu on the left where you'll find pretty much every major option you'll need. Next, find and click the Create Website button. Think of this as opening a blank canvas. You're about to paint the foundation of your business online. Squarespace makes this step easy and visual, so don't worry if you've never built a website before. After you click, you'll be presented with a few choices for what kind of site you want to create. For your goal, to sell services, we're going to select Marketing. This tells Squarespace that you're looking to attract customers and sell what you offer, so it preps some useful features for you right out of the gate. Click Next once you've made your selection. The next step is to zero in on selling services specifically. You'll see an option labeled Sell Services. Go ahead and select that, and then click Next. This is an important step because it shapes your entire website around making it easy for clients to learn about your services and actually book or pay for them. Squarespace will tailor your site with booking forms, pricing pages, and more. All the stuff you'll need to make your service business run smoothly. Now comes one of the most fun parts of building your site, choosing a template. Templates on Squarespace are professionally designed layouts that you can customize to fit your brand. There are options for every style, whether you want something sleek and minimal, bold and colorful, or traditional and elegant. Take some time here if you want. Scroll through and preview a few different designs. You can imagine what fits your brand personality, and don't stress if you can't decide right away. You'll be able to tweak the design later. Once you find one that feels right for your service business, click Start with this design, and that's basically it. At this point, Squarespace will take you into the website editor, where you can personalize everything to fit your services, your branding, and your message. You'll be able to add your own images, write up descriptions of your services, adjust colors, fonts, and more. You really have all the creative freedom you need here. If this part feels overwhelming, just remember, you can make edits and changes anytime. And Squarespace even offers built-in guides if you ever get stuck. Have fun experimenting, and don't be afraid to explore. Most things can be undone or changed later if you change your mind. So, in just a handful of easy steps, you've set yourself up to sell services online using Squarespace. Whether you're a graphic designer, consultant, fitness coach, or anything in between, this process gives you the professional foundation you need without complicated tech or coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see a deeper dive into editing your Squarespace site. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new service website.